The train accident is a unique animal. What you're going to find in a train crossing accident is that invariably we found in our cases that the defendant railroad is going to argue that our client tried to beat the train. I don't know why they do that. That's what they do. They argue that we tried to beat the train. And part of the difficulty in handling that case is going back and getting the forensics done, getting the experts that you need to go out and review the scene and get everything lined up so that you can show and go back and recreate as much as possible exactly what happened in the accident.
Whenever a victim of a train accident contacts the Louthian Law Firm, the first thing that will happen is a lawyer will talk to you. We will get the initial facts, and then we go out into the field with an investigator. We view the scene, we introduce ourselves to all of the witnesses, we obtain the facts, we take photographs, we take videotapes, make a thorough investigation, prepare the case for trial from the very beginning, the very first day the injured party contacts us. We are preparing for trial. That's the only way to handle any injury case, and particularly something complex and challenging like a train accident.
The most recent train crossing accident I handled involved a young man, 18 years old. He was leaving his house, which was located very near the crossing where the accident occurred. And we were able to show that the train had failed to clear the debris around the crossing, that they had failed to blow their whistle like they're supposed to according to law, and that they were speeding. The railroad company tried to argue that my client, and they always try to argue this, they tried to argue that my client had tried to beat the train, but we were able to successfully show through our eyewitness testimony and the testimony of our expert that this is not the way it occurred, that in fact it had been the railroad company's fault.
If a person has been injured, or unfortunately if a member of the family has died as the result of a train accident, it's very important that they contact us as quickly as possible so we can institute our investigation promptly. These are very, very serious accidents. They require very, very serious and prompt attention from your lawyer. And at the Louthian Law Firm, we will give you that attention.